Changing your profile picture on Amazon Prime Video is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your profile image. Step 1. Open Amazon Prime Video. Launch the Amazon Prime Video app on your device or visit the Amazon Prime Video website on your computer. Step 2. Sign in. If you are not already signed in, enter your Amazon account credentials to log into your account. Step 3. Go to your profile. Navigate to the My Stuff or Profile section, usually found at the bottom of the app or in the top right corner of the website. Step 4. Select your profile. Choose the profile for which you want to change the picture. If you have multiple profiles, click on the one you wish to edit. Step 5. Change profile picture. Look for an option to edit or change your profile picture. You can either select from the available images or upload a new one from your device. Save your changes once you have selected your desired picture. Now you have successfully updated your profile picture on Amazon Prime Video. Enjoy your viewing experience.